Dear students, our chapter Knowing Our Numbers is continuously going on and presented by me. On the last turn, we were studying estimation or approximation. Okay, so we will proceed in this topic. So, in last turn, we have learned about rounding to the nearest 10. But we learned to round up any number nearest 10 like 2-digit numbers. So today we will learn few more examples like rounding 1875 to the nearest 10. How to round up this number. Okay. Now see, you have to round up nearest 10. So on the last turn I told you that for to round up nearest 10, first of all write multiples of 10. So what are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. These are the multiples of 10. Now just observe last two digits of the given number. Last two digits are 75. This is 75. This is unit place. 5 is at unit place and 7 is at tens place. Okay. So this 75 lies between 70 and 80. Okay. This 75 lies between 70 and 80. So for to round up this number, we will convert 75 to 80, and for to round down this number, we will convert this 75 to 70. So how to decide whether to round up or whether to round down? We just observe the digit written at unit place. Unit place is 5. So we will round up this number and this number will become, this 75 will become 80. So the number will become 1880. Okay. Don't need to bother that this number is 4 digit or 5 digit or 6 digit. Whenever you have to round up nearest 10, you have to observe only last two digits, tens unit place digit and tens place digit. Okay. Now move towards the next example. Rounding 2483 to the nearest 10. Now it doesn't matter that this number is 4 digit or 5 digit or 6 digit. Just observe last two digit of the given number. That is 83. Now for to round up nearest 10, write multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now just see this 83 lies between which two multiples? This 83 lies between 80 and 90. 80 and 90. It is lying between 80 and 90. Okay. So whether to round up this number or round down this number, just observe the number written at unit place. Unit place is 3. Okay. And you know that 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So we will convert this 83 to 90. So the number will become 24. Sorry, we will round down this number. Very sorry. We will round down this number. We will convert this 83 to 80. Okay. So the number will become 2480. I hope that this is clear to you that why we round down this number, because the unit place digit is 3 and 3 is less than 5. So when unit place digit is less than 5, we round down the number, not round up. Okay. Now we move towards the next example. Rounding 14,526 to the nearest 10. So for to round up nearest 10, write the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. Now just look at last two digit number 26. Now just check 26 lies between which two multiples? 26 lies between 20 and 30. 26 हमारा 20 और 30 के बीच में लाई कर रहा है. नाउ वेदर टू राउंड अप दिस given number or to round down this number, what we will see, we will just check the number written at unit place, which is 6, and you know that 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. So we will convert this 26 to 30. We will change this 26 to 30. Okay, so the number will become 14530. No change in 145, just we change 26 to 30. We round up this number. Okay, now I am moving towards the next example. This is written 2,38,764. to the nearest 10 round up करना है इसको. So for to round up 10, we will write all the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and then 100. Now just look at last two digit number. And why we are looking at last two digit number? Because we are rounding it to the nearest 10. Okay, so just check that 64 lies between which two multiples of 10. 64 lies between 60 and 70. Okay, now observe the unit place digit. Unit place digit is 4, and you know that 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So we will round down this 64. So when you convert this 64 to 60, the number will become 238,760. Only change in only last two digit. Is that clear? Okay, dear students, we are moving towards rounding to the nearest 100. So for to round up nearest 100, what we do, we write multiples of 100 and we concentrate on last three digit, unit place digit, tens place digit and 100 place digit. Okay, so the question given, rounding 9,730 to the nearest 100. So first of all, for to convert nearest 100, we will write all the multiples of 100. First 10 multiples of 100 you can write also: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Okay, now just concentrate on these last three digit 730. So just check that 730 lies between which two multiples. It is greater than 700 and less than 800. So it will lie between 700 and 800. Now whether to round up this number or to round down this number, we check the number, we check digit at tens place. Okay, same procedure we will follow here. When we have to rounding up to the nearest 10, we concentrate on unit place digit, but when we have to round up nearest 100, we check tens place digit. Okay, so the tens place digit is 3 here, and you know that 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5, and any number which is less than 5, for any number which is less than 5, we round down this number. So we will convert 730 to the 700. So no change in 9. Okay, only change in 730. It will be 700. So the answer is 9,700. Okay class, now I move towards the next example. Rounding 12,398 to the nearest 100. So the first task is to write multiples of 100: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Now just concentrate on last three digit, because we have to round up nearest 100. So see, this 398 lies between which two multiples of 100? It is greater than 300 and smaller than 400, so it will lie between 300 and 400. Now check the digit written at tens place, which is 9, and you know that 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. So we will round up this number. I mean, we will convert this 398 to 400. So our answer will become 12,400. So our answer will be 12,400. Now I am moving towards the next example, that is 90 lakh 84,796. So for to rounding up to the nearest 100, we will write the multiples of 100: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Now just concentrate on last these three digits, 796. It is greater than 700 and smaller than 800, so it will lie between 700 and 800. Now whether to round up or to round down, we will check the digit written at tens place. Digit written at tens place with 9, and 9 is greater than 5. Okay, so we will round up this 796. We will convert this 796 to 800. So no change will be in 9084, only change in 796, last three digit. Okay, so our answer will be 90 lakh 84,800. Okay class. Now I am moving towards the next example. Next example is 56,314. So for to round up nearest 100, write the multiples of 100: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Now just concentrate on last three digit, that is 314, and it is greater than 300 and smaller than 400, so it will lie between 300 and 400. Now whether to round up this number or to round down this number, we check the digit written at tens place. Tens place is 1, and you know that 1 is less than 5. 1 is less than 5, so we will round down this number. We will convert this 314 to 300. So our answer will be 56,300. So our answer is 56,300. Okay, I am moving towards the next example. Next example is rounding 20,161 to the nearest 100. Now for to rounding up to the nearest 100, write multiples of 100: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Now just concentrate on last three digit, which is 161, and 161 will lie between 100 and 200. Okay, it will lie between 100 and 200. Now whether to round up this number or to round down this number, we check the digit written at tens place. So 6 is at tens place, and you know that this 6 is greater than 5. That 6 is greater than 5. So we will round up this number. We will convert this 161 to the 200. So our answer will be 20,200. Our answer is 20,200. Okay, I am moving towards the next example. Next example is rounding 1,77,592 to the nearest 100. So again repeat the process. Write multiples of 100: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Now just check last three digit, which is 592. It is greater than 500 and smaller than 600, so it will lie between 500 and 600. 592 will lie between 500 and 600. अब इस 592 को राउंड अप करना है या राउंड डाउन करना है, इसके लिए हम इसका टेंस प्लेस का डिजिट चेक करेंगे. सो टेंस प्लेस पर 9 है, सो 9 इज़ greater than 5, so we will round up this number, so we will convert this 592 to the 600. So our answer will be 1,77,600. Our answer is 1,77,600. I am moving towards the next example, that is rounding 10,439 to the nearest 100. Now again write the multiples of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Now concentrate on the last three digit, that is 439. It is greater than 400 and smaller than 500, so it will lie between 400 and 500. Now whether to convert 439 to 500 or to convert 400, we will check the digit written at tens place, and 3 is at tens place, and you know that 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5, so we will round down this number. So we will convert this 439 to 400 only. So our answer will be 10,400. Our answer is 10,400. Okay class? See class, you don't need to write all the time this all the 10 multiples of 100. If you can guess directly the last three digit lies between which two multiples of 100, you can directly write the rounding. Okay, approximation you can write directly, but if you have any confusion, then better to write all the multiples and after that to check. I am moving towards the next problem. Next problem is rounding 10,06,491 to the nearest 100. So what are the multiples of 100? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1000. Now see, this last three digit lies between which two numbers? It is greater than 400 and smaller than 500, so it will lie between 400 and 500. Okay, and we will check the digit at tens place. So what is at tens place? Tens place is 9, and you know that 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5, so we will round up this 491 to the 500. So our answer will be 10,06,500. Our answer will be 10,06,500. Okay class? No change in the entire number, the change will be only in last three digit. Okay, now I'm moving towards the rounding to the nearest 1000. See class, when we were rounding to the nearest 10, we were concentrating on last two digit. When we were rounding to the nearest 100, we were concentrating on last three digit. But when we rounding to the nearest 1000, we concentrate on last four digit of any number, means unit place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. Okay, so the question is rounding 3,14,291 to the nearest 1000. So for to rounding to the nearest 1000, write the multiples of 1000. So what are the multiples of 1000? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and 10,000. Now see, the last four digit 4291 lies between which two multiples of 1000? So it is greater than 4000 and smaller than 5000, so it will lie between 4000 and 5000. It will lie between 4000 and 5000. Now whether to round down this number or to round up this number, we will check the digit at 100 place. So 100 place digit is 2. 100 place digit is 2, and you know that this 2 is smaller than 5. This 2 is smaller than 5. So we will round down this number. It means we will convert this 4291 to 4000. So our answer will be 3 lakh 14,000. 314,000. So our answer is 3 lakh 14,000. I hope that this is clear to you. Dear students, our next example is rounding 48,961 to the nearest 1000. So for to convert rounding to the nearest 1000, we will write multiples of 1000. So those are 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and 10,000. Okay, now just concentrate on last 4 digit, that is 8961. That is 8961. So we have to see that this number 8961 will lie between which two multiples of 1000. So it is greater than 8000 and smaller than 9000. So it will lie between 8000 and 9000. It will lie between 8000 and 9000. ये 8000 से बड़ा है और 9000 से छोटा है, इसलिए ये 8000 और 9000 के बीच में लाई करेगा. Now whether to round up this number or whether to round down this number, we will check the digit written at 100 place. So 100 place digit is 9 and you know that 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. So we will round up this number. Okay class? So we will change this 8961. We will change this 8961 to 9000. Okay, so our answer will be 49,000. It means 49,000. No need to change in 4. We just change in last 4 digit because we are rounding to the nearest 1000. Okay, now I am moving towards the next example. Next example is rounding 28,292 to the nearest 1000. So first step is to write the multiples of 1000. So those are 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000 and 10,000. Now just concentrate on the last 4 digit. हमें केवल लास्ट की 4 डिजिट को देखना है क्योंकि हम 1000 में राउंडिंग टू द नियरेस्ट 1000 कर रहे हैं. So this is 8292. This number 8292 will lie between 8000 and 9000 because it is greater than 8000 and 9000. Now whether to choose 9000 and whether to choose 8000, we will check the digit written at 100 place. We will check the digit written at 100 place. So the 100 place digit is 2. 100 place is 2. 2 is at unit place, 9 is at tens place, 2 is at 100 place here. So this 2 is less than 5. Okay, so we will round down this number. It means we will convert this 8292 to 8000. So our answer will be 28,000. Okay. Okay class, I hope that this example will be clear to you. Now I am moving towards the next example. Next example is rounding 8,89,481 to the nearest 1000. So the first step is to write the multiples of 1000. So those are 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000 and 9000 and 10,000. Now just concentrate on the last 4 digit, that is 9481. So 9481 is greater than 9000 and less than 10,000. So it will lie between 9,000 and 10,000. So whether to round down this number or to round up this number, we will check the digit written at 100 place. So the digit at 100 place is 4. And you know that 4 is less than 5. 4 इज़ लेस देन 5, 4 5 से छोटा है, इसलिए हम इस नंबर को राउंड डाउन कर देंगे। इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हम 9481 को, ये जो 9481 है इसको हम लिख देंगे 9000। ओके, सो आवर आंसर विल बी like this, 8,89,000. This will be our answer. Okay, so I hope that all the examples will be clear to you, and please practice all the examples, and watch the video, and whatever problem you have you can tell me. Also you don't need to write all the multiples all the time. हर क्वेश्चन में हर बार सारे मल्टीपल्स लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अगर आप डायरेक्ट गेस कर सकते हैं कि लास्ट के 4 डिजिट कौन से 1000 के 2 मल्टीपल्स के बीच में लाई करेंगे, तो आप डायरेक्ट भी आंसर लिख सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।